Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ayur Yoga Mudra. Now, today I am going to tell you one ancient ritual that is used to increase the height. So, basically, this is a ritual, or you can call it an experiment, or basically, it is working under the nature or law of attraction. I can't tell exact scientific reason behind this, but it will work perfectly. It is a one time process, so this will increase the height definitely. So this is a one time process. In this method we are using the nature's law of attraction power. Basically this is a scientific reason behind this, or any other reason I don't know, but this will work definitely. So we are using the nature's power for this purpose, and this is a one time process. For this purpose we need some items. That is, don't worry, this is not costly item. We need some item that is available in our area. So first I will in quote the important things needed for this. The first one is bottle guard. We need one bottle guard which is long, so much long, big one we need, which having a long size bottle guard we need. That is the first one we need. The next thing is we need a green leaf, which is one will be long green leaf that will be plucked from the tall tree. You need to collect this from a long tree, which is long tree. From a long tree you need to collect a leaf. And another thing is, don't take the leaf which is already fall down or already in brown color. Pluck the leaf from the tree. Pluck the leaf from a tall tree. This is a process. And don't pluck the leaf already fall down, or don't pluck the leaf which is brown color or already fall down and brown color or already damaged. Don't pluck a leaf which is damaged. Another next thing is needed is turmeric. We need a turmeric, and don't purchase any turmeric powder. We need that pure turmeric. You can purchase it from any shop, this pure turmeric. And next thing we need is red thread. You need to purchase one cotton red thread from any shop. And another thing you need is red color cloth. This is another thing we need, red color cloth. So these are all the items we need. Now I will explain the overall process and how to do this. First you need to take this bottle guard and make a small hole on it. Like you can cut it in a square or circular shape some part, and take it out that part and keep it nearby you, and you made a hole on it. Then you need to collect the leaf from the long tree. This is another process. So next thing is you need to collect the leaf from the tree. And next process is you need to grind the turmeric to a paste format. Then using a stick, any wooden stick you can use, no problem. And you need to write your desired height on the leaf with this turmeric. So if you need to increase your height to 180 centimeter, or your desired height is 180 centimeter, then you need to write on the leaf 180, that is 180 centimeter cm, like that, or inches in inch format. Better you write in centimeter. Then after writing your desired height, then you again take this leaf and put inside the bottle guard, because you already made a hole on the bottle guard. So using that hole inside this leaf, put the leaf into inside of this bottle guard. Also after putting the leaf inside the bottle guard, then the hole will be open. So at the time of cutting you already remove one part from the bottle guard. So take that part and fix it on that hole. Then using the red thread, tie that tie 2-3 times, tie it, make a round shape, tie it in that hole with this red thread. After that, wrap this in a red cloth. So then again you need to wrap this in the red cloth, and after that keep this in under your pillow in bed. Then you need to sleep on that under the keep it in under your pillow, and then you need to sleep with that under your pillow for one night. Next morning you need to wake up early on 6 a.m. and take this item which is covered in a red cloth, and take this item and go to the nearby river or any stream or nearby water which is running water. Don't put it in a pond or lake because there is no running water. You need to go to the place where running water is available. So go nearby there and put this take this item and immerse it in water, and put it in water, the river or stream. So you need to put it in water and don't look backward. Just after putting into the water you can move, you can come to your home. So this is a one time process, so please don't do this repeat. So do it in only once in a time. After that gradually your height will increase, and don't think about height later. This is a one time process. After come to home, then do every process normally, do exercises whatever you have, do it normally. You can see the height increase or height change gradually. So this is a process. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you have any queries, please comment in comment section. Thank you. Please subscribe. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and please like my video if you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.